Hey guys, welcome back to my recaps. This is MK with Bearable Traders. So today only took like 2 trades, which was Royal Caribbean and work Slack. I usually don't trade very much on Fridays just because I feel like the market reacts differently. And also today's Friday the 13th, so I just kind of want to take it easy. And yeah. And usually on Fridays I'll trade like Andrew and then I'll like go for a run or something. So today I went for like a 3-mile run after this. And I hit like my goal really quickly, so there's like no point of trading all day. So first, oh, and also some of you guys had a hard time understanding my entrances, so I kind of just spelled it out for you guys. And what happened was I shorted Royal Caribbean and I got stuck in the 5-minute halt, which was kind of weird. Like, I've been getting stuck in so many halts lately. It's so weird in this market. So I entered my short position here, and because on the 1 minute you could see it kind of formed like this descending triangle, and I figured it was gonna break this line, which is the yesterday's close, and it pretty much did that. I covered more here, and then it started forming these dojis, which usually indicates it's a trend reversal, and that's basically what it did. It like went back up to VWAP, and this is where I exited my whole position. And then later on in the day, I guess this was just recently, but Donald Trump, he tweeted that the cruise lines, they're suspending outbound cruises for 30 days, which is kind of interesting. So that'll be interesting to see how the other cruise ships are gonna like react next week. This is my next trade, work. Basically I shorted right here. This is what I call like kind of like the trifecta. It's not perfectly lined up like I like it, but it's under VWAP. It's under the 9 EMA, and this is my 50 EMA. I try to keep my charts like really clean. And then so I shorted here, just covered some on the way down, and it basically did the same thing as like what Royal Caribbean did. It formed these like dojis, and then the trend reverse back up to VWAP, and then I got all out right here. So I guess, yeah, those were my trades today. Hopefully I did a better job of explaining it. And let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.